Chrissy's point of view. Today we are going to discuss perseverance. Everything to do with being perseverant. What is perseverant to you? Being able to continue doing something despite the difficulty or the delays in being successful. Constantly there are issues and there are storms and there are different things throwing you aside to and fro, and you just have to persevere. You have to keep going despite of because of desire, because of what it is you want in life. You have to keep on going. You don't let anything hold you back. Why do you get up to go to work? Because you know you have a why. You have a desire to get out of poverty. You have a desire to win. Why do you go to school? You have a desire to learn more so you could win. Why a desire to push your business, to try and push your business so much? Because you desire to win. You have on your mind to win constantly. And for me, that type of desire is what it is going to get you to go through. You have to have patience. You have to be persistent with it. You have to be consistent with it in order to be able to succeed in life. And for me, perseverance for me has also been thinking about certain Bible scriptures, like Proverbs chapter 6 speaks about not sleeping. It says, Proverbs chapter 6 verse 10, yet a little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep, so shall thy poverty come as one that travelleth, and thy want as an armed man. And that is one of the reasons for me why I have always kept going, because I have learned that verse at a very young age, and I have made up in my mind that I do not want to be suffering the curses of poverty. I want to come out of that generational curse of poverty and step into my blessing. I must leave a legacy for me, my immediate family, and my children. I must leave a legacy. You must make up in your mind that you are worth more. You are worth more than what it is you have right now. I mean, despite the different disappointments and ups and downs, you must make up in your mind that you are worth it. You are worth it, no matter what comes your way. See the goal. Write down your goal. Write down your goal. Make it plain upon tables so you could look forward to go after it. Don't let nobody hold you back. All you have is within you now. Believe that. All you have is within you now. And with God's help, you will be able to make it. You have to have faith. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in God that you could make it. That you could do this thing. That you could reach towards your goal. That you could complete the task to reach towards your goal. Believe it for yourself. No matter what comes in your way, push it aside, move, and keep going. You have to reach this goal. Keep going. And you know, in doing a program I have been doing for the last few months, speaks about the overnight millionaire. And truth and in fact, nobody could actually become an overnight millionaire. But this program has teach me to be resilient, teach me how to be patient and how to be consistent. And it's like a community of persons who go through different things in life, and we learn from each other. Each and every one of us learn from each other. And my mentor often talks about how he was before, how he used to sleep on an air mattress. and he had it in his mind that there must be a better way. He continued discovering and learning and gaining wisdom in how to get out of this life of poverty, because he made up in his mind. You have to make up in your mind. You have to have a purpose driven spirit that you want to do better. Have a purpose driven spirit that you have to do better, that you will not, how to put it, settle. Do not settle for mediocre, but settle for the best. And going back to the scripture about the ant, I live in a country with a lot of ants and something called batchak. They work all year round. To me, they work all year round. Whatever it is they need to build their house or gather their food, when it's harvest time, they get it done. They don't stick. Day and night they work. If you look outside midnight in the night, you will see them toting leaves or toting food to go to their nests to make sure that they don't stop day and night. And it's long distances they go back and forth. Long distances. Right? You have to be willing to go the distance. Ants, the Bible talk about, go to the ant, thou sluggard, consider her ways and be wise. The ant has no overseer or ruler, but yet the ant gather their food in the harvest time. So you have to be able to see when it's harvest and move. Just continue moving. Be perseverant. Keep going after it. And don't let anything come in your way. And that is what I admire my mentor, Wesley Virgin, for. And that is what he teaches in the Overnight Millionaire program. If you want to know about this Overnight Millionaire program, learning how to be more perseverant, click the link below. And you will understand what I'm speaking about when it comes to perseverance. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View.